Welcome! In this tutorial, we will review how to properly create a centerline, a critical step required for multiple OEM static calibrations. For this procedure, have the following tools on hand: a square, tape, a plumb bob to transfer vertical reference points directly to the floor, a string line, and a marker. Before marking the centerline, confirm the OEM requirements for your specific vehicle with your remote technician. Tire pressure must be adjusted to the manufacturer's recommended specification. The trunk must be completely empty. The fuel tank must be full or, at minimum, at the level specified by the OEM. In this first step, we will establish the front reference point. Identify the center of the front emblem, which is commonly used as the primary OEM reference. Align the plumb bob with that point. Allow the plumb bob to hang freely and stabilize. Once it stops moving, mark the point directly below on the floor. Extend the string forward, passing directly over the front reference point, and secure it once it is aligned with the mark. This string now represents the true longitudinal centerline of the vehicle. Once the string is perfectly aligned with both the front and rear marks, secure it in place. Your centerline is now established. A precise centerline sets the foundation for accurate calibration results. If you are performing an OEM-specific calibration, always refer to your tech for exact OEM measurements and target placement. Thank you for watching.